Hello and welcome to today's retro tech. We are going to be looking for a gym sniper, and I don't see no gym sniper. If I wanted a stang sniper, I would just be joined by. I might as well just get me a rifle and go hunting. But I'm not looking for this. I'm looking for a Gundam. I'm looking for a gym sniper from the Federation. Headset looks nice. Okay, there we go. Not those, not yet. All right, yeah, not bad deal, not bad deal. But we're looking for a gym sniper. Oh, wait, there. I want a dingo. I'm gonna get a dingo, guys. Gotta get the dingo. I'm just trying to see if this is well worth it. Click in here. It looks at it straight from okay, and oh yeah, it take a while to load. Oh yeah, so M dingo. Oh yeah. Yes. Gym Sniper 2, Dingo, perfect Federation Army. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, I got the shield, everything. It looks perfect. I'm just going to order and click away, guys. And we'll get set on this build today so we can share this amazing adventure. If you haven't subscribed, I just forgot to say, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up and smash that bell for more notification to support more videos like this onto my game builds. As well, check out my gaming reviews or gaming plays. I have multiple lists in my other channel called the Classic Quarter Gameplays. But here on the Zimios Global Concerns, we are an anime channel and a supporter to Bandai. So within this, I'm gonna order this. Ding dong! Special delivery, son. Here you go. Ow, that mother son of a gun. What in the world? I did not order this for $100. I ordered a dingo. What the hell? Never trust an unknown brand on Amazon. Note to self, buy ye is the way in Bandai. Click away. There's other nice, like Gundam Spirits. Do not trust this stuff. Sometimes Amazon does have the correct thing. Make sure it is by Bandai. Don't do what I just did. Big mistake. Okay, let's see what we could do with this. Alright, we're gonna make a dingo out of this. Magic hands. Hoya! Dingo. Explosion. Let's get going and start this build. Welcome to today's show. Unsuspectingly, with color, custom paints, and everything to making a dingo when you get the wrong order and get something that's only worth $30 and you paid over $108 or something, which you have seen clearly at the beginning of the video. Thumbs up if you like this video. And thank you for viewing. Gundam fans, this is for a anime project I'm going to be doing with a YouTuber. It's going to be Crossbone Gundam and my most favorite, the Gym Sniper, which is going to be a dingo now. And I have some special parts I have ordered that will be coming in shortly for the backpack, jetpack, and everything else. And we are waiting just on the funnels of the new Gundam, where it's going to be added to the back of my as well, my Gym Sniper 2, and it's going to be amazing. And this is going to be for the whole show, special attachments that are added when self-defense on the Gym Sniper, which is like a Gundam Breaker setup. And this is going to be a story anime I'm going to share here on this channel. I love Gundam and I appreciate Bandai. I'm a big supporter and third party for retail of the model kits. And thank you, Bandai Namco, for everything and wonderful video games. Support Bandai and enjoy. I know there's still growing some new things for every generation, and I am having fun building this model kit. As well, I'm just getting the head together and switching over to the body. And as well, we are making a little short surprise that is not all detailed, putting this whole model kit together. I appreciate everybody coming, like I said, and as well, I hope you guys are enjoying this as I am talking this short, brief message. All right. Also, for some more amazing stuff with Gundam, check out Bandai's Namco site. You can also find cool video games and stuff there. As well, check out Gundam Spirits and Gundam Info on YouTube. Very wonderful stuff for Gunpla and awesome things with Bai-E, Japanese shop for Japan accessories. As well as I build this awesome Gym 2. I love the Gym 2, and like I said, I am working on a cool little anime project for this channel. And it's just going to be a little time within this. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe again. Once again, hit that thumbs and that notification for more awesome stuff like in content for you on YouTube. And also I'm on Twitch as a Classic Order Gameplays. And you can check me out on Facebook as well as on Twitter and as well speaking. And I have another YouTube channel called the Classic Order Gameplays, and it's pretty cool. And the Classic Order Gameplays is my gaming channel where I do stream and also put cool video game content up there. And I have a little thing called the Classic Order Gameplays TV show playlist, which that has a little mini series of humor and was inspired by AVGN. Check out Cinemassacre if you like some adult content of humor video games and stuff. As well, there's other great creators out there that are really so fantastic. As well, I am just trying to finish this gym up for the Zymeon's Global Concerns Retro Tech today, and I appreciate everybody coming to view this. And thank you for all you wonderful people out there coming to view me build this little model that's taken a very long time. I appreciate everybody coming to view. Like I said, thank you. And if you're just walking into this, appreciate it on this build. And we're going to be adding more parts to the Gym Sniper. I'm going to add some funnels. I'm going to add some special guns as well. I got a special extra kit right now, just came in the mail for as I finish this up. And as my gym does the splits, I am just circulating and putting this together. I appreciate everybody coming, like I said, and I think the mailman just came with the other half of the package, so we're going to finish up with the build, and I will build the parts that are necessary as I put this magical shield together. And I love my Gunpla very much, and thank you for everything, for Bandai's awesomeness. And I'm going to be working on the weapon sections. Yes, they have arrived, and now thumbs up. This medieval plastic, I think somebody's out to get me. This one's open. This one's sealed like a repackaged. I hope everything's okay with this. Don't know if it's mail, express, or what. Let's crack this baby open with my X-Acto and Shrep. Ooh, I can't even open it. Let's get this off first. Let's see if we can. Ooh, really adult proof, and I am amazingly shocked with that. And the other one's completely open. Hopefully all the parts that's in the other one as we go, we'll find out as we build this Gunpla stuff. And I ripped this insane plastic off. Ooh, I just can't tear it. I'm just trying everything my hardest. There, let's try from here. We got slice. This is really thick stuff. It's thicker than the stuff you buy for a lunch baggie. Alright, let's get this going. Here's the instructions. Put some GBN weapons on this Gym 2. Now, I will be working on some amazing stuff, and this is going to be quick, snip, and fast mode, speed, and Alakazam. We got some wings, because this gym is going to be an Air Force gym of the Earth Federation, and it's my gym that I will be piloting in this episode I'm going to be working on. This will be mocapped and everything with a 3D surprise that will be on this channel to watch. I got funnels for him as a self-defense, and here's the glamour shots. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. So I'm working on a mini project. This is going to be a Gunpla animated episodes. This is going to be on the Retro Tech, little small shots. And I am proud to be a third party to Bandai Namco. Please check out their awesome merchandise and stuff. And also, anybody can sign up for this if they are interested and they own a business. I own an online business, so my favorite mobile suit is the Gym Sniper. I also like the Gym 3. I also like the Zaku 3. I also like the Easy 8. I will broadcast more on my radio show about this here at the Simeon's Global Concerns, the Creative Dream Live Radio.
Subscribe if you haven't yet. If you haven't, hit that thumbs up and enjoy the video. This mech will come knocking at your door. Enjoy at the Simeon's Global Concerns Retro Tab.
Thank you for coming to view today's show of this build. Have happy holidays. Until next time, bye!